harder, not smarter. What? Work smarter and a little bit harder. In order to have flat belly, which gives us strong core, which helps our back so that we can avoid back pain. And also, you know that visceral fat is an indicator of future diabetes and many other health problems such as high triglycerides and all that. We can get rid of all of that and make all our organs, 80% of the organs or 80 to 90% of our body organs are in this core area. So how can we have flat belly so that we can help ourselves and have great health? There are very simple things that I would like to show. In fact, just by sitting like this on a chair or a sofa while you're working, if you're a computer person, you can get a flat belly. How? Keep your feet on the ground like this, sit nice and straight. If you're leaning back, then lean a little forward, not completely bend down, not straight on the hip bones as well, but lengthen your spine and sit nice and straight, a little distance between your knees, a little gap, and just raise your hands and keep them up there for 2 minutes. When you keep your hands up like this for 2 minutes, within 4 or 5 seconds, you will start feeling in your belly. And imagine if you can keep it for 2 minutes, how much you're strengthening your core muscles. Yes, they have to be engaged in order to keep your spine straight and hands up. Your core muscles are engaged and it's a good workout without any movement, zero movement. Great workout for strengthening your belly muscles. That is one thing. Next thing is standing up. I'm going to show you a nice way to avoid crunches, but also have a great abdomen muscles. You can even get 6-pack or 8-pack depending on your genes by doing that asana. Let me show you. So what is that something that we can do standing in order to get flat belly and get rid of belly fat is raise your hands. And your elbows should be in same straight line as your shoulders, need not raise high like we did earlier. So nice hands up posture. Your hips should be on heels and shoulder on hips and head on shoulder, not head bent down or hips out like this. So stand up nice and straight. And what you're going to do is inhale, exhale, a couple of times, and squeeze the belly in. Stop inhaling or exhaling for next 10 to 15 seconds if you can. If you can't, then hold it only for 5 seconds. And you're going to twist your upper part of your body side to side like this, holding your breath. I'm speaking now, so I'm kind of exhaling, but what happens when you're squeezing your belly in and twisting upper body like this, it will give you the same effect that you get when you are doing the crunches. How many you have to do? You have to do 50 of those, and that's it. These are the 2 simple exercises in order to get flat belly. One is sitting and the other one is standing and twisting your upper body. Again, inhale, exhale a couple of times and exhale it all out. Squeeze your belly muscles in and raise your hands and twist your upper body side to side, holding your breath, no inhale or exhale, and do 5 at a time, 10, and then relax. And then inhale, exhale, hold your breath, no inhale or exhale. And while you're holding your breath, you're twisting your upper body. If you can do this 10 during the first week, and then 20, and then 30, and maximum of 50, no more than 50. And again, 10 at a time, even if you're doing 50, 10 at a time. So these are the simple ways to get flat belly and simple exercises without crunches or without any gym.